Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Worthington size 1 welding positioner, 16-inch slotted faceplate, 100-pound capacity, manual tilt by turning this crank on the side. Tilt's very easy. There are grease fittings underneath the plate, both on the tilt and on the wheel. You want to show them the grease fittings? They're grease fittings. It's an older unit, fairly old unit, but it's in super condition. This one is a mechanical drive. It seems like some kind of hydraulic clutch drive in there. So you don't have to worry about burning it out if you put a lot of juice through it and don't properly ground it. That's very common with the electronic variable speed models. Forward and reverse. That's pretty fast. We can slow it down. There's a little crank on this side. We turn to slow it down. We can speed it up. We can reverse it, slow it down and reverse. It's on a nice wheel base, so you can move it around your shop, get it out of the way when you're not moving it. It's a very well made unit. Not like these cheaper imports that are coming in today with the very light duty flimsy units with electronic drives. The electronic drives seem nice, but if you don't ground them well, you burn them right out. The gears are all in great shape. Not beat on, welded on, cut, or anything else. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.